Non-destructive upgrade for VW, Skoda with BAOYI water spray wiper. Split the original nozzle. Feed hose through nozzle cover. Insert connector into original port. Reinstall the nozzle cover. Secure hose along original line with zip ties. Install stopper on passenger side port check for leaks after installation. Reinstall the original nozzle. Install BAOYI water spray wiper. Connect driver and passenger side hose. Route driver side hose through cowl gap. Route passenger side hose under cowl. Guide it out at a suitable point. Avoid squeezing the hose. Trim excess hose. Connect hoses with a T connector. Install the hose clips. Connect hoses with a T connector. Reinstall the cowl panel. Installation complete. Non-destructive upgrade Benz S-Class style water spray wiper. More evenly sprayed, deeper cleaning, quieter wiping. No visibility obstruction. No more overspray.